In today's fast-paced world, businesses face endless supplier delays, manual processes, and rising costs. Procurement is no longer a support function. It's a challenge that holds growth back. What if procurement didn't have to be complicated? What if technology could make sourcing faster, smarter, and more reliable? Introducing BSO Services, a global procurement platform powered by AI innovation. We connect businesses to verified international suppliers, simplifying sourcing from quote to delivery. With BSO, you choose how you manage your procurement, the Buyer Indirect plan, where BSO manages everything for you, or the Buyer Direct plan, where you connect directly with international suppliers. Both are completely free. AI-driven insights, global connections, and transparent systems designed to save time, reduce cost, and build trust. At BSO, innovation drives every decision we make. The future of procurement starts here. Smarter solutions, global access, and zero cost. Only with BSO Services. Join today and discover innovation that saves time and cost.